megalayapost.news.
Banis nok tilang hag perthei baro kawai kum tak singker pang ki belanjing duna hag convent ka office ka district social welfare officer nongpo mta ka singkla rakhi kerpang ya kani kasni kum ka singke blatim kum ka international day of person with disabilities hag balai trelang bat ka nongpo area women welfare association bala penlong hador bar hall sajer nongpo ya kani ka jing rakhi ya ka singker pang ki baduna convent lawan banishim menta da MLA ka nongpo ba meral bons im kum kongsan bala sakhi langru da ka jing don lang deputy commissioner kriboy abilash Baranwal, ka District Social Welfare Officer ka Kong NF Sun, uba S Perbon, Manager ka District Resource Center on Disability Affairs Riboy, bat kan tup ikmi ba bat kitay ki balanjing duna ha kit convent. Kum ka jing penpu penpiang ikini ka singker pang ki baduna convent la penlong ru ikijing ya ko baper na kamta kitu ki badan ka jing duna ha kit convent bat ru la penlong ya ka jing ajing sumar ya ki ha katay ka jaka. Ha bakran kum kongsan ba Meral Bon CM la ku bleker pang ya ka tanat social welfare bat kanong po area women welfare association ki balashim kya ban rakhe ya kini singker pang ki badunar convent barkum kita ki badunar convent ki donia ka ju ko hong haka imlang salang
is the society's inability to make it more inclusive that has led to the disability that they are experiencing. So the entire efforts from the government side, from the state administration side, and through the efforts does not feel limited by lack of certain abilities. Simultaneously, sir, the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya has started several programs to help them through the intervention of our DSWO. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone who is a person with disability and is entitled for whatever benefits, whether it is pension, whether it is scheme care, whether it is scholarship for the PWD students, we will have, and simultaneously unemployment allowance for the PWD youth. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone gets their due benefit. Kong Sun has ensured that everyone has been enrolled. It's just that some of these benefits are taking time to come up. But we can be very sure that none of the PWD will be left out in this. Simultaneously, we'll try and make sure that in whatever government procurement that we are doing, we'll also try and see that how we can take more and more products from those who are PWDs and still engaged in productive activities. Simultaneously, my request to Council is to ensure that those whose UDIDs are on the verge of expiring, and to make sure that from your office you take the initiative, conduct the assessment camps, and simultaneously make sure that those UDIDs are renewed in time. And simultaneously, recently sir, we had a collaboration with Alimco, wherein we made sure that all the UDIDs, whatever aids and appliances they are eligible for, that they should get their required benefits. Apart from this, my simple message to everyone is that please consider this government and this administration, your local representative as your own. Any help that you need, any assistance that you might require from us, please feel free to reach us. You can reach us directly, you can reach us through your CBRWs, your MRWs, your DSW office, and we'll make sure that whatever is possible from our end, we'll make sure that that benefit or that assistance is reached to you.
Sen jag begriper sen någon idé intuitivt snabbt att balan att sen till sen samla i dorvarsnam i but kan ik dit probeer ik dit hier met jullie in bril dari kapan beliau lakukan. Kemudian dibikin ini tidak di belum Pakistan, relasi tidak di belum Pakistan, karena gentle tidak di belum Hindu dan belum Muslim. Lagi dong di sini tidak masalah. Itu nama apa? Hagi sini itu di Kristen. Kalau mereka yang ini beliau beli udah tahu apa udah tahu. Udah berjerong, udah belum pak. Dan bersenang dan mereka dan berhamstan dan berguna kita dan biyong bersida dan beli bersida dan bersau bersida Don gobiang kita konten don gobiang idon di bomla abani beduna di kota idon di bomla abani semua ke sekolah idon di duna dan keken di mana tu pakhan dan keken asisten serta tidak pandai tinggal asisten tidak pandai ibu tinggal dua puluh kau tidak ada juga trong itu sang ini pembeli lokal jadi demi kibru kawa ni nolak ban mutur lupa dari binong pagili manlong ka kubali kay ko beli ulah kau apa aduh barang kaya ni aduh tubi pun ini bisa ina bertian ni kejadian bagi dia belum beri kalau lampu baik di sini kita kejadian demi jaga kita lalu kita beli cukup 40% dalam itu berkompetensi, tapi itu berkompetensi yang murah mengenai. Siapa kabar Iwan Nasla Pertai tidak cukup yang tidak cukup juga. Tapi tak tahu yang semua ban ayo siap ya di peran sosial media juga dalam Singapura. Wan nom snowren, wan nom snow yang ada di pengasah bahara di Surde di Benjilo nang bahara di Kerwat kurang cat di Benjilo waktu kan umur beliau jobi wanita mati kalau kok sih kunjur itu kalau saya boleh berjalan kesorka tidak terangkat dari sini program nak perlu kerpang ni ban kedua ban burung yang tiba kesorga adalah ini era hotel. Ini di nongelang nagarian jongga di service center di bahan lain pensai ini nak kasih awal dan sebut di bagian nanti yang perlu keluar berarti di berbagai scholarship to be deployed di Rio nanti dan way scheme di dalam itu tidak ada gram. Jadi saya sebut di bawah kepala naga social welfare department di supervisor di demi anggaran di water di demi kepada nasional di water lut di kapal apa kuat support ban berjendun di yang kini peran nasional sehingga demi petani buat budget nak rai dan energetika platform apa di platform pakai di sini ada pengusaha yang untuk hari deal untuk tidak pergi hari ini berlen hari ini berkeren kemudian betul application untuk kerja begini jirat di Kepang dia pakai sorka kalau
Megalayapost.news